All right, so we're going to do image creation with a tool called DALL-E. It's part of the OpenAI ChatGPT program used for image generation. It's pretty cool. So you go to your ChatGPT the same way we did, we've done our ChatGPT used in general, and you go and explore and find the tool called DALL-E. It's here. It's an amazing tool. You come here and you click on Start Chat, and once you do that, you put in this prompt and you will see the output. It's pretty awesome. So let's do some demo. And here we can see and a prompt use glide over a mountain, an angel flying with baby, make it close up. You can see here, it's pretty amazing what we can do with this. You can make the prompt as simple and as exciting as you want to make it. You can always download it. You can, like it, and you can use it for other image generation. But this is a very exciting tool. If you're working on a project and you're thinking of, simulating an image real quick. Let's say I want to simulate a mango in a jungle. Show images of mangoes in a jungle with kids picking them up. So you can always, explore your imagination, and believe it or not, in a few seconds you will just see it come to life. And here we are. You could see an image of kids really all excited. You can actually make it a close up look. You can just go wild with your imagination. But these are some of the powerful capability of the DALI tool. It's really cool. And you can be very specific. You can ask it to create a queen and a close up look. Whatever your imagination are, we could make it happen with this tool. So it's a very good tool. I challenge you, just play with it and explore your imagination and go wild with it. And I'll see you in the next segment.